Folks, if you don't take better care of your money, then your financial circumstances cannot change. Okay? If you do not take up the mantle, the responsibility of developing a deeper understanding about money and financial instruments in order for you to develop better habits when it comes to managing your finances, then you will forever remain in financial enslavement. That is the truth. Okay, I don't care who you speak to. This is not a sales pitch. This is a plea. Take hold of your freedom, your financial freedom. Renew your mind. Develop an understanding. If you don't want to do it for yourself, at least do it for your damn kids, man. Because otherwise, they're also going to grow up with the same mindset, the same understanding, and they're going to sit in the same financial situation or type of situation. Financial enslavement. I cannot understand in this day and age, when knowledge is freely available, that you would choose not to take up that responsibility or that mantle. Help your future self and the generations that follow. To not take responsibility for your finances is as good as saying you don't care about freedom. You don't care about your own freedom.